In this video, we'll be tackling why are your Roblox clothes are blurry. So in order to see that, I have in here this Reddit article that can help us with this particular query. As you can see, this particular user also have the same problem. So let's look for the answer on this thread. So let's see right here. As you can see, the clothes of their character is actually blurry. So to actually fix that, the usual setup for this is to actually go over and restart your Roblox as said by this user. So it because you have minimum graphics on or you don't have much memory space. So with this is actually a widespread bug and you can see the other users report the same. So your device might be low in memory. You can just clean up your RAM, close apps before opening Roblox to prevent this particular problem. Once you're done, you should be good to go. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.